Do you think wars are coming from us though?
Yes.
Which war? Which war? Which war? World War One? World War Two?
None of your business. House.
The Crusades? Yeah, the American Revolution? Yeah, Napoleon? Yeah, the 2 atom bombs that were dropped on Hiroshima and Nagasaki? Were the wars coming from us?
Listen.
Since World War II, America has invaded 30 countries. Which of those are Muslim? Well, it's certainly not 30. Let's look at the statistics from 0 to 2008. The people that have taken the most lives are Christians. Let's look at statistics. Muslims? Coming over and saying we don't want wars? I should be saying that to you. We don't want wars. Stop invading our countries. Stop taking oil. Stop taking gas. No, but why are you coming in? Why are you coming here saying? No, but why are you coming here saying we don't want wars? I should be saying that to you. Just because I want to be talking about religion.
Scotland has oil and gas. What are you talking about?
You have gas, but you follow what England are saying, correct?
We've got no choice.
You've got no choice, so you are following. What about when you invaded colonization of India? Scotland benefited from the colonization of India. Why didn't you mention that in your rant as well?
Genghis Khan, what was he?
Scotland, before the colonization of India, they were very low down. After the colonization of India, they were back up. Now we're talking facts, you want to walk off.